Hello guys, welcome to gourabsartcraftworld. I'm Gaurav and today I have come up with another DIY project that is Polymer clay cute Santa for Christmas decoration. For this, here I'm going to use Little Birdie Polymer clay which I have received from Itsy Bitsy. I'm going to work on this clean transparent sheet because I don't want my clay to get dirty. First of all, take the required amount of clay and keep the remaining clay in a airtight container. Kneading is not necessary as it's already prepared, but you can still do it to make it more soft and smooth. At first, prepare a clay ball in this way by rolling it on your palm. Flatten it a little bit, using a dot tool to create the places for his eyes. Now I'm going to make his cap and half of his body part by using this red color polymer clay. You don't need to use glue to stick them with each other. You can smoothen it in this way by using a soft brush. Now in this way make his hands. Taking two small black color polymer clay balls for his eyes. Now here is his eyebrows. Now in this way by using white color polymer clay, complete his cap and also make his beard and mustache. You can use clay modeling tools to adjust the shape. Now by using a needle, create some small detailings. You can create this type of lines on his beard and mustache. You can get different shades of polymer clay and all different types of amazing art and craft supplies on Itsy Bitsy website. Use my coupon code GAURAV5 to get extra discount on your every purchases from Itsy Bitsy. In this way, after completing your clay work, you have to bake it. Here I'm not mentioning the timing and temperature because it may vary for different brands. Just checking the size before baking, whether it's perfect or not. Now I'm going to start coloring my base. Here I'm using a star shape MDF board. At first, I'm applying a mixture of chalk acrylic paint, deep blue sea and Mellow Mint on the base. After completing this, let it dry. Now by using a dot tool, create some dots and stars. I'll give the list of the products and link in the description box. If you have any queries, then you can directly ask me on Instagram. Using tinted metallic paint to make a shiny border. Now for the final step, stick the oven baked clay Santa on the base with the help of glue. So guys, our DIY cute polymer clay Santa has completed and this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Try to make it yourself and decorate your home for Christmas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.